Hey everyone, welcome back to Talk and Learn, the podcast where English learning feels just like chatting with your best friends.
Yes, and today we're talking about something that everyone loves and also fears a little: money.
Yes, the magical thing that disappears every time we open our wallets.
Exactly. We all say, I'll save money this month, and then boom, it's all gone in 2 days.
Okay, that's true. But don't worry, in today's episode, we'll learn how to talk about money, savings, and budgeting in English, all while having some fun.
So grab your coffee, your wallet, and maybe a calculator, because we're about to make money talk easy and fun.
So Sarah, do you remember the first time you saved money?
Oh yes, I was 10 years old. I saved my pocket money to buy an ice cream machine.
An ice cream machine? That's so random. Did you ever buy it?
Nope, I spent the money on chocolates after 2 weeks. My saving plan melted like ice cream.
Okay, that happens. I remember saving money for a new bicycle. It took me 3 months.
Wow, that's impressive. Did you feel proud?
Yes, that feeling when you buy something with your own savings, priceless.
You're right, it makes you feel responsible. But sometimes I think saving is boring.
That's because you don't make it fun. Try giving your savings a name, like vacation jar or new phone fund.
That's cute. So every time I save, I can say, this is for my dream trip.
Exactly. It keeps you motivated.
Okay, but what about unexpected expenses? Like when suddenly your phone breaks.
That's where the emergency fund helps. You should always save a small amount for surprise problems.
Good idea. Maybe I'll call mine, oh no, money.
Perfect name. And if you use that money, refill it later.
I'll try. But you know what really makes saving hard?
Friends. True. Especially when they say, come on, just one coffee. And then it turns into dinner, dessert, and a movie.
Exactly. Peer pressure is expensive.
Maybe tell them, I'm saving this week, but I'll join you next time.
Yeah, that sounds polite and smart. I'll try that.
Also, using cash instead of a card can help. When you see the money leave your hand, you spend less.
Oh, yes, because swiping a card feels painless. Like, beep, bye-bye salary.
Exactly. That's why budgeting is important. You control your money instead of letting your money control you.
Deep words, Ahmed. You sound like a money guru.
Not really. I just learned after being broke too many times.
Same here. Okay, quick question. What's the difference between saving and investing?
Good question. Saving means keeping your money safe, like in a bank. Investing means using money to earn more money, like buying stocks or starting a small business.
Oh, so saving is safe, investing is risky.
Exactly. You can start small, like saving first, then investing a little.
Maybe one day I'll invest in something cool, like a cat cafe.
That's adorable. I'd totally visit your cafe.
You'd get a discount, don't worry.
Thanks. But seriously, this conversation is important. Most people don't talk about money openly.
True, and when we do, we learn new habits. Talking about it in English is a double benefit: language plus life skills.
Exactly. You improve your English and your wallet.
Okay, I want to ask something funny. What's the most useless thing you ever spent money on?
Probably a singing toothbrush. It played songs while brushing.
No way! That's hilarious. Did it work?
No, it broke in 1 week. What about you?
I bought a self-watering plant pot. It died in 2 days, so it didn't water itself.
That's the problem with impulse buying. It looks cool online, but reality says nope.
You're right. Now I ask myself before buying, do I really need this?
That's a great question. It's like a money filter.
Exactly. And sometimes I wait 24 hours. If I still want it after a day, I buy it.
That's called the 24-hour rule. Smart move.
Thanks. And I also started writing down everything I buy. It helps me see where my money goes.
That's powerful. Many people don't realize how small things like coffee or snacks add up.
Yeah, those tiny expenses are sneaky.
Totally. But when you track them, you can control them.
I feel like I'm learning so much today, English and money lessons.
That's the goal. Learn and laugh at the same time.
You know what? From now on, I'll save 10% of everything I earn.
Perfect start. And don't forget, reward yourself sometimes too. Saving doesn't mean suffering.
Yes, I'll save smart and live happy.
That's the spirit, Sarah.
So, friends listening, what about you? How do you save money? Tell us in the comments.
And remember, even small savings can make a big future.
All right, everyone, it's time to practice. Let's do some speaking exercises.
Yes, repeat after us. I save money every month. I'm trying to spend less. I'm on a budget this week. I'm saving up for a new phone.
Now it's your turn. Write in the comments below. What are you saving money for right now?
And try making your own short sentences using the word budget.
You can also practice by keeping a small money diary. Write how much you spend and save each day in English.
That's a great way to improve your English and your bank balance.
Okay, friends. Today we learned how to talk about money, savings, and budgeting in English.
We also learned some funny life lessons like don't shop online at midnight.
Yes. And remember, small savings make a big difference over time.
So, if you enjoy this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep learning with us.
We'll see you in the next episode of Talk and Learn.
Bye-bye. Happy saving.
Saving.